Good morning students, I am P. Vasant Kumar, Biology faculty of Krusi High School. This statement, just you read it once, stay at home, be safe. You heard, you read so many times the statement, but it is very, very important for us to follow. Stay at home, be safe. Once the virus is entered into our body, it will spread into the whole our house. That's why it is very, very important to protect from this virus. Today we are going to discuss class 8, subject biology, session 1, introduction class. Up in 7th class, you heard only science. But it come to 8th class, science is divided into two parts. If you go to higher classes, it's divided into so many parts, but in 8th class, science is divided, or we can see two modes of divisions, biology and physical science. Bio is nothing but life. In biology also we are going to see animals and plants. Both are living things. Today we are going to discuss about introduction class. In the 8th class, there are 11 units is there. Just we briefly discuss about this 11 units. The first unit name is nothing but what is science? What is science? Question now. In general, what you know about science? What you are thinking about science? Without science, there is no life. So it is very, very important to discuss about what is science. Science is a knowledge. It's based on the experimentations. Science is a truth of searching in nature. Science is a tool for searching in nature. So, science is the most important in our life. The first lesson it talks about what is science. And the second lesson, cell. It talks about cell. Cell is the basic unit of life. Cell, the basic unit of life. Without cell, there is no life. For example, our body, whether it is plant body or animal body, it is made up of with a cell. Trillions of cells is there in our body, uncountable. This body is made up of with cell. And the third unit, the world of microorganism. The world of microorganisms. Here we can see two parts, part 1 and part 2. The world of microorganisms. What is microorganisms? How many types of microorganisms there? Where we can see the microorganisms? The world of everywhere is there microorganisms. In our home, in outside, in parks, in our classrooms, in our mouth, in our stomach also microorganisms is there. Types of microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, algae, fungi, protozoa. There are so many different types of microorganisms is there. These microorganisms we cannot see through our naked eyes. We need some instrument like electronic microscope or microscope we need. Through the microscope only we can observe the structure of the microorganisms. And the fourth lesson is related to you. reproduction. Reproduction in animals. When you go to higher classes also, reproduction is there. In 10th class, reproduction big lessons is there. Reproduction in animals. This is the very important for our life. Without reproduction, there is no future life. Reproduction is necessary for the plants. Reproduction is very important for the animals also. Without reproduction, there is no life. Reproducing, generating system. And the fifth lesson, the age of adolescence. The age of adolescence. You entered into the age of adolescence. When you entered into the 8th class, you entered into the age of adolescence. The age between 10 to 19 years age is called as the age of adolescence. In the adolescence age, we can see so many changes in our body. So many hormones is going to release in our body. Thinking power will be increased. So, such type of things we are going to discuss in the age of adolescence. The 6th unit is biodiversity. And its conservation. Biodiversity and conservations. What is diversity? What is biodiversity? How they conserve, how they live, how they depend on one organism to another organisms. And the 7th unit, different ecosystem. Different ecosystem. What is ecosystem? It's a group of living organisms and their environments. It talks about abiotic and biotic organisms, living organisms and non-living organisms or non-living things. And the 8th one is, 8th unit is called production of food from plants. 9 units. Production of food from animals. Both lessons are similar. Production, how we are getting food from the plants. How the plants are preparing the food materials. How we are getting food from the animals. Production of the animals. We are not only depending on the plants, but we also depending on the food like animals. The 10th units. Not for breathing, not for drinking. So general lessons. Not for breathing. Now we are in the situations of we cannot breathe directly. We can't breathe directly unless we wear masks. Because very dangerous virus is spreading like coronavirus. Once it enter into our body, lungs will be damaged. If the lungs damaged, the oxygen cannot supply to the body. If the oxygen cannot supply to the body, the glucose will not break down. If the glucose is not break down, energy will be not released. If the energy is not released, we can't survive. Without energy, we can't survive. Why we need energy? To speak, to walk, to do any work, to think. We need energy. There is a more relationship is there. The last unit, why do we fall ill? Why do we fall? Question mark. First one is, what is science? The last unit, why do we fall ill? Why the virus enter into the body? How the virus is entering into our body? What is the reason? Once the virus enters into the body, what symptoms we can see? Why do we fall ill? So only 11 units is there in 8th class. The first unit is what is science, and the second unit the cell, the basic unit of life. Without cell, its body is not made up of. So this body is made up of with the cell only. The structure of the cell and the function of the cells, what materials is present in the cells, such type of things we will discuss. The world of microorganisms, part 1 and part 2. Coronavirus also one type of microorganisms. It is a virus. It is a very, very dangerous virus. It spread all the world. Lakhs of people is dying with. This is the unseen virus. We are fighting with the unseen virus. We can't see the virus. But how can it enter into our body? We don't know. That's why stay at home and be safe. Production in animals, the age of adolescence, now you enter into the age of adolescence. Biodiversity and its conservation, protection. How do we protect the biodiversity? Different ecosystem. Production of food from plants, production of food from animals, not for breathing, not for drinking. So this is a very, very important. Nowadays we are not able to drink the water also properly. We are buying the water. In future, there is no doubt we should buy the oxygen. Already in hospitals, when they go into the ventilation, they are buying oxygens. So there will be no free available oxygen in the future. They are buying water. We will be buying oxygen also, if we not protect our environment. So the last one is, why do we fall ill? So these are the 11th lessons in the 8th class biology. So today homework, you must learn the index first, including page number also you should learn. So only 11 units you will learn and write without seeing once or twice. I will check. So learn and write without seeing all the units names. If you learn the units, you need compulsory textbooks. You need materials. That's why materials and the books are available in the school. Please come and collect the books, start reading and don't neglect. Thank you for today's lesson.